Hi everyone. In this video you will learn how to create a half circle using CSS. By the end of the video you will have this sort of output. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Let's create an index file here. Index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure here. Add a link to the style sheet. It will be style.css. Here we only need a div element. Give it a class half circle. Save it. Now create a style sheet here. Style.css. Select body element. Background color will be dark cyan. Select half circle class. Margin will be 100 pixel and auto. Width will be 300 pixels. Height will be half, which is 150 pixels. Border radius will be 150 pixels for the top left. Same goes for the top right. For the bottom right it will be 0, and for the bottom left it will be 0. If you pay attention here, you can see the height and this top left and the top right radius is same. So make sure it should exactly match that. Also the height should be half of the width, right? Now set the background color to orange. Border will be 1 pixel solid white. Now save it. Open this file in the browser to see the output, and that's the output. So I hope you understood how to achieve this. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.